We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Autocad software.
Hi friends, welcome to our video. Today we will discuss about basic dimensions in Autocad. These are the basic dimensions in Autocad: linear, aligned, radius, diameter and angular. And these are the commands to active each dimension tool. For linear, command is DLI, aligned DAL, radius DRA, diameter DDI and angular DAN. Let's move to the video to know more about each dimensions. First we discuss about linear dimension. This dimension can active from dimension menu or using the command DLI. Specify the first point of dimension and the second point. Now you can see a dimension set on your screen. You can place the dimension set as you want. Linear dimensions are placed horizontally or vertically. Next we show aligned dimension. Aligned dimension are used to measure object like this. In aligned dimension, dimension line is parallel to the extension points. This dimension is active from the dimension menu or using the command DAL. Pick the first point and the second point and place the dimension set as you want. Next we discuss about angular. Angular dimension is used to measure the angle between. For activating angular dimension tool, go to dimension menu or using the command DAN. Pick the first line and the second line. You get the dimension in between the two lines. Next we discuss about radius and diameter. Radius is active from dimension menu or using the command DRA. Select the circle. You get the radius of that specified circle. For activating diameter option, go to dimension menu or using the command DDI. Then select the circle to get the diameter of that circle. Radius is represented by the letter R and diameter is represented by the symbol phi. I hope all of you understand the basic dimensions in Autocad. Thank you for watching this video.